This is how normal app looks, but imagine you can resize the app icons and even add widget to them. Yes, these are the customization that OxygenOS 16 brings. Yes, Android 16 based OxygenOS 16 is finally releasing in OnePlus devices. So let's check the features. Starting with the AOD to lock screen transition. Previously, you only have the text from your lock screen on your AOD, but now you can have full screen AOD like Apple and Samsung. So you can have a complete smooth transition from AOD to lock screen to home screen. You can add defined widget in AODs, obviously copied from Apple, and depending on the wallpaper and the theme, the position of the widgets can be changed. So that's a good thing to have. Now you can also change both the quick tiles according to you. You can add custom text, and the text customization are a lot of them, so you can check them. Now get a completely redesigned media player for the lock screen that also shows in the AOD. There are a lot more different themes and wallpapers to choose between, and one is completely copied from nothing. You can clearly check that out. In the home screen, you not only change the shape of the apps itself but also resize it and add widget if it support. But remember, you can customize or resize all apps, but all apps does not support widget. So those who support, you can use them. And also there is a redesigned quick tiles, so you can use that. There is four pickle toggles to use. Now the search bar in the app drawer is moved to the bottom. That is much more accessible now, and you can get two fronts. One like Android, one is copied from Apple for essential apps in a folder format. And when you scroll down through the alphabetical order, you can get the apps in pop-up front. Those are starting with the alphabet, so that's a good thing to have. Next up is the smoothness. Yes, the smoothness is improved much more from, it's already very smooth in OxygenOS 15, but the transition and smoothness is now better with the OxygenOS 16. You can also get a very useful feature that is iPhone to OnePlus Smart Touch or something they name it, I don't know. You can see what is done. So there are some basic things, but one thing that I personally like is the resizable icon, obviously, the increased smoothness. So over OxygenOS 15, the OxygenOS 16 is a clear update. You can get smoother experience, polished UI look. You can get better connectivity, multi-device connection. And here are the devices who are going to get the update. You can check if your device name is here. Make sure to like, share and subscribe if you like the video.